guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here for today's video. As you can see, I'm going to be reviewing the new mascara from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. I'm gonna go straight into the video and start by showing you the wand. It's an hourglass shaped brush which is supposed to coat each and every lash, which I love the bristles, by the way. This is how I love my mascaras. And I'm going to be applying as I'm reading to you guys what this mascara should give you. It should achieve maximum lash volume and fullness, creates dramatic full-bodied lashes with intense jet black color. Its full pigment formula glides on without weighing down the lashes, which is something I look for in a mascara. That's very important to me, and I think to everyone. So yeah, it gives you dramatic volume, fullness, and thickness to any lash type. It's water resistant. It should stay on all day. Its ultra creamy formula should prevent clumping and smearing. One coat should be plenty, but I always love to apply 2 coats no matter what mascara I use, but you guys will see what you'll get with just 1 coat. So this is 1 coat. To me, this is pretty good, and so far I'm loving it, but I want to see what it looks like with 2 coats. I want to see if it gets clumpy, if they stick together, or if it starts flaking. It doesn't feel too dry though, because some mascaras do start flaking after the 2nd or 3rd coat, and they feel pretty dry, but this one is feeling pretty good. When I'm applying the 2nd coat, I do like to push the eyelashes on my eyelid, not touching the eyelid because I don't want to get mascara on my eyelid, but I do push them a little bit just to keep them curled. So it really does give you the perfect amount of mascara with just 1 coat. But if you want them fuller and more dramatic, then you can add 2 coats. And I'm also going to apply some on my lower lashes just to see how they look. And here you have the before and after, and I do like the results. This mascara is $25, but they also have a mini for $13. They're already available on Anastasia's website, and they will be available in stores on the 15th. So I'll leave the link in the description box below in case you guys do want to buy it. I will pin my comment below letting you guys know if it started flaking or if it smudged after a few hours. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this mascara in the comments below if you liked the results. And give this video a big thumbs up please if you liked it, and share it with your friends and your family. Thank you guys so much for your love and your support. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!